So I'm in my backyard here, and we are doing all this work. We're cutting. What are we doing? We're trimming and cutting all the dead leaves and the dead branches from the lack of water, the drought that was happening here in Orlando, and now too much rain. So they start to fall because they're dead, and then when the rain comes, the weight pushes them all down and knocks them off. And look at my poor flowers are all dead. And some of the flowers thrive, and they're really tough, and they can handle it, like me, or they can't, and they just turn into branches, and all the flowers fall off, and they die, and it's sad. So I have furniture out here, and it is rusted right through from the sun, and it just, boom.
What we do here is go back.